How to find square root of 36 by division method? Look, first make a group, okay, or make a pair using 2 digit from right to left. So we have only one pair, which is 36. So we have to take here a number whose square will be equal to 36 or less than 36. If I take here 5 square equal to 25, which is much lower than 36. If I take here 7, then 7 square equal to 49, which is greater than 36. If I take here 6, then 6 square will be 36. This number must come also here. So 6 times 6, 36, subtract 0. Here you have written 6, so 6 will also come here, and add 6 plus 6, 12. As our remainder is 0, so square root of 36 is 6. To check, look, the double of quotient will be your new divisor, 6 plus 6, 12. So our answer 6 is correct. So the square root of 36 is 6.